Welcome to this third and last session of our eRoom to CenterStage migration. Content ETL is used for records management, archiving, or content transfers. Today it can be connected to more than 35 applications. Content ETL is also the first ETL to be CMIS compliant. It is a preferred content distribution and archiving engine for large organizations that have many content repositories. In the previous session we did the mandatory first steps of the migration. We analyzed the source, we configured the target and built the migration bridge between eRoom and CenterStage. Now we can start the migration process. Here is our migration bridge. We are going to verify that it is working correctly. Let's set a few breakpoints to check that each action is done properly. For example, let's set a breakpoint on the retrieve metadata stage to check if the native metadata are indeed added to the parcel. Let's do the same on the user mapping and on the save to repository stages. We can now start the bridge in debug mode. As soon as the first parcel will reach the first breakpoint, the perspective will switch to the debug mode perspective. In this perspective, we can drill down into the parcel to check if all tasks are handled correctly. Here we can see that the parcel is a folder, and that all existing metadata are retrieved. Let's see now if the permissions are correctly retrieved. Okay, that's great. All permissions from the source are mapped correctly to the target. And we can drill down into the parcel for each remaining stages. At the end, the parcels are stored in CenterStage. Let's see the first results in the Explorer view. Open CenterStage, go to the spaces. The thrills of a live demo. Let's refresh this view. Here it is. The bridge seems to work perfectly. We can now start the migration and monitor it. Each stage can be monitored by JMX. Here we display the statistics of the retrieve permission stage. We can see that this stage already processed 7 parcels at a speed of 1 parcel per second. My demo environment is not a Formula 1 car. Of course, we can increase and optimize the performance of the migration bridge. We can multithread the whole process. The Content Explorer view also offers a visual monitoring capacity. All folders and document icons are changed dynamically to reflect their migration status. We can see a green light on the parcels that have been processed and a red cross if something went wrong. This is extremely useful to identify where the problems are in the migration. Here, for example, we have a red cross on the room itself. It means that some content in the root folder was not migrated. Let's investigate. In the view Folder Content, all root folders and documents appear. Here we can see that the problem is linked to a delivery timetable. We have to modify the bridge to take into account all object types. I probably did not read carefully enough the report that analyzed the source. Now that the migration is finished, we can build a report. Right-click on the job. It displays a list of options. We can generate a report, we can delete the migrated objects, or clean the Content Explorer view. Let's generate a report. Different formats are available. I need an HTML report. In this report, we can check that all objects from the source are created in the target. We have a clickable link between the source document and its replica. We can also analyze the cause of the 4 problems we had. This message indicates that the type timetable is not managed correctly. Content ETL has many advanced features that answer most migration requirements. I hope you enjoyed the 3 sessions. Thank you for your time.